Namaste friends, I hope you all are well. Friends, today I am sharing some morning stretches yoga therapies by which you will get balanced body and mind in whole day. So before start, myself Deepika Sharma, the yoga consultant. Now let's start the first therapy. For that, lie down on your mat comfortably. Deep inhale. Slowly exhale, palms on floor. Now slowly bend your knees with inhale. Now hold your leg by your hands like this. Now inhale. Exhale. Release the posture. Now the next leg, same process. Inhale. Exhale. Come down. Relax. Now the both leg together. Bend your knees. With inhale. Exhale. Relax your breath. Now the next therapy. For that, take the posture for cat-cow pose. Sit on Vajrasana. Now put your both palms on floor. Take the posture like this. Now the cat-cow pose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Continue with third therapy. Name is child pose. For that, relax your palms on your heels. These morning stretches, yoga therapy, increase energy, gives flexibility in whole day. With inhale, come up. Exhale. Now the fourth therapy is butterfly pose. For that, take the position. Join your both soles together. Hold it by your hand. Straight spine. No need to control breath here. Move your both legs like a butterfly. Minimum 5 to 10 minutes. Do this therapy. It increases your flexibility. It increases alertness. It increases your energy. Now relax after 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Now the last one is sitting, twisting, stretch. For that, your right hand on your left knee and your left hand to your back to your body like this. Now turn, twist your body towards your left with inhale. Now exhale. Same process. Another side. Exhale. One more time. Exhale. Exhale. Now relax with deep inhale. So friends, do these yoga therapies regularly and get healthy mind and body. Namaste, take care and be connected.